There's a shocking amount of evidence for the Bible. This is an aerial photograph of the city of Jericho. Jericho was previously thought to be a fiction created by the Bible, but archaeology once again has confirmed the biblical record. Excavations at Jericho have revealed that there was a mud brick wall protecting the city. And rather than the wall falling inward, the wall fell outward away from the city. Because it fell outward, the bricks would have collapsed, making a natural ramp up into the city. This is odd because archaeologists typically find that the walls of fortified cities collapsed inward rather than outward, and that's typically a result of siege weapons like battering rams or trebuchets knocking into a wall trying to collapse it. If there was ever a section of wall that looked like it was about to collapse, the defenders would often collapse it intentionally, but collapse it inward to prevent that ramp-like debris falling, and so it would be more difficult for invaders to climb up over that rubble. But the walls of Jericho fell outward, and this archaeological evidence uncannily matches the biblical narrative in Joshua chapter 6, where God brings about a supernatural victory. The wall fell down flat, then the people went up into the city. Due to the irregular evidence, archaeologists have concluded that the wall collapsed because of an earthquake. This matches the biblical narrative that no siege weapons were used, but rather that this was an act of God. Additionally, archaeologists discovered a thick layer of ash indicating that the city had been burned. Walls, floors, doors, and rubble were all scorched, and this once again matches the biblical narrative. They burned the city and all that was in it with fire. What's more is that the city was found with many storage jars full of burnt grain. This is an extremely unusual archaeological find because something valuable like grain would typically be taken by looters. It also indicates that the city of Jericho fell quickly, not after a long starvation siege. The Bible provides an explanation. Joshua 6:18 records that the Israelites were commanded not to take plunder from Jericho, and thus the jars of grain were left to burn. Notably, the remaining grain indicates that the siege, which happened quickly, would have happened shortly after harvest time, hence the jars still being full, and it would have happened in the spring. This also matches the biblical account. We know that Passover was in the spring and the siege on Jericho was right after Passover. These discoveries at Jericho don't alone prove Christianity, but they are yet more pebbles of evidence we can throw onto the ever-growing mountain of evidence for the Bible. Sources will be in the description below. If you want more evidence for the Bible, click here.